How you gonna cook the chicken? How you gonna cook the steak?
We cook everything. We have everything already prepped for the night. We just
You don't do that. That's
for the breakfast.
It's fresh upon order. That's Del Taco's company policy. You know that.
Yep.
Do you want me to clean the fucking grill for you?
No, that's not necessary.
Okay, well that's fine. What's your name?
Michaela.
So you're gonna blame it on the new closer then, huh? You know you're wrong. You know you're bullshitting me.
No, I'm not, and I don't need you to argue with me. I'm sorry we closed the grill early. I understand that was wrong of us. It was an accident, but we have everything else. We just can't do cheeseburgers for breakfast at the moment.
You can't do very much. You cannot cook chicken tacos.
We have everything pre-made during the evening shift. We can make everything else. It is already pre-cooked.
Chicken can only stay on the steam table for a certain amount of time, as well as steak and everything.